Hello, this is an instructional video on how to set up your email signature in your Outlook account. So basically, once you're in your Outlook, you want to go to the settings right here at the bottom. Click on that, and then you want to go to signature. And in here, I already have a signature, but assuming you don't have anything, you'll see it. You'll see the window like this, and yeah, you could always add, of course, you could add the logo, add pictures. You add the logo will be there, and then you can type in text, right? Your name, the phone numbers, anything that you wish, and you can always hyperlink, insert links by clicking here. Okay. But for this sample, this instructional, we're going to be adding the signature designs that we have on our marketing services website. So we're going to go and click add a picture, look for it, and then once you find it, you click on it and click insert. And in essence, yeah, we see it right here. If we click on this while holding the mouse, we can resize the way, at the size that we want it, and then leave it at that. We could always, if we click on this, we can click enter to create some space, then click with the mouse on this space, and then type in any text that you may want, right? Okay. Oh, it seems to have erased that, so I'm going to add it again. Resize, and then once you're happy with it, you're going to click save, and then just to check that it's in there, we're going to click new email. As you can see, we can see the it already shows automatically in there. Okay, well, hopefully this was helpful. Have a great day.